Hey guys, I'm back with a quick tutorial, and this video is going to be about how to fix this issue by name Drive Google Access Denied in your computer or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. On the search bar, search for drive.google.com. Right click on the post and go for preview. Click on the three dot and go for share. And here you can able to observe that is restricted. Click on this option by name change anyone with that link. And now click on got it. And once click on done. And once click on three dot option and go for share. And here you can able to observe it had changed to anyone with that link. And now copy this link, and once I'm going to show you this is working or not. And here you can able to observe this download link is completed. Now anyone can download this. Download the zip file that I will give link in the description and extract here. The password is displayed on the screen right now. Open the folder and now copy this chrome.dll and both chrome.ef.dll as shown here. Copy these two DLL files and now once open the Chrome and right click on it and go for open file location. And now you can also find this option by name number, whatever the number is. Just go on that and now right click on it and paste. If they ask to paste, just click on this option or else grant the permission. And now once copy this drive and now right click and go for copy and now open the file and go for default application and now right click and paste and impart the permission for that. And now you're done. I hope it will work. It doesn't work, just contact me at my Instagram @technological_errorfix and also contact me on email jafartech87. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Till the end, goodbye.